Hey, what's up, everybody? I think success really favors those that work hard and consistent at their craft. It's about 11 p.m. at night, and I'm just getting to work. And this is my setup right here, and this is like the third time uh, I'm working today. And every sessions I work like 4 or 5 hours. So between life, family and work, that's all my life. And let's check out this setup I have. So the reason I'm making these videos is because I want to show you guys the life of a young entrepreneur and the little risk I took a few years ago really pay off all these years until this day. So a little bit about the business that I built. At first, I was just a website designer. So I just go around and ask people if they want to build a website for their business. Because I was living in America, I didn't like the life I was living over there. I worked for a company in a cubicle, and I would go to work at 9, go home at 5. So it's like a 9 to 5 rat race, and I feel like a dead end job. So I took the risk. I moved back to Vietnam. I was living in Vietnam until I was 14 years old, and then I moved to America. And when I got to America, I started to go back to school, learn English, and I was interested in computer, the internet, and how everything worked. I was just very curious. And that's how I got started to learn about HTML and CSS and build my first website. And every time when I have free time, I would just go on the internet. I would learn a little bit here and there. And then I went to school to study for computer science. And then during my college year, I had these visions of building a website where people can just simply go into the websites. They can choose the websites they like, and then they can choose the domain name and create an account. And just like that, they can create a website, something similar to Wix, Squarespace, and all of these other website builder. And just like that, I dropped out of college. I didn't really have much money back then. As an immigrant, I had to work full time, go to college full time. So I feel like college was wasting my time because the internet it was just, full of useful information that I can learn from. So just like that, I quit college and I started learning on my own, building my own website builder. So at first, I used WP Ultimo to build website, and living in America, it was just really expensive. So I moved back to Vietnam. I traveled to the beach sides, and I really like, the vibe, the feeling, the energies over there. So I thought to myself, if I could make like $100 a day, I would be able to live comfortable in Vietnam for a very long time, and I would be able to, save up and, live a good life here. So just like that, I stay in Vietnam for a few months. Then when the money run out, I would, fly back to America, work for like different job, constructions and stuff like that to, save up again, and then I go back to Vietnam and just working and working, trying to build something out of nothing. I was very lucky because one of my construction boss, he needed a website for his company, for his construction company. So that's when I built my first website for my first customer. I charged him like $15 a month to host the website and to cover the domain name. And for a few months, I would just have one customer. But I saw the potentials of, seeing the money rolling in every month. Every month, I would get $15. I think the website I charged him is like $350. So for just that one idea, I can generate multiple sources of income. So when I saw the potentials of the website design business and how managing website for my customer can help me generate a steady income, and that's when I went back to America again, trying to talk to a different business owner to see what niche, what business models that need websites. And I was very lucky because a lot of nail salons businesses, they trust my service. They trust me because I speak, Vietnamese. So a lot of them don't really speak English that well, and hiring like an Americans would be very costly. So they trust my service. I was very new. I make a lot of mistake and stuff like that, but I was able to build custom website for customer, and then I would set up those website templates on my website so that I can show potential customers of the custom design that I build for customers, and if they like those designs, they can simply choose those templates and sign up for the website. So by doing that, I was able to gain some customers for my business, and I was able to generate some significant recurring monthly income. And then on my other YouTube channels, I make tutorials to show people how to create a certain website. And I was very surprised because people do understand my English and they sign up for the website. So by doing that, I was able to automate my website design business, and I was able to turn my website design business on autopilot. But very soon I found out that WP Ultimo plugin was very limited because it's built based on the WordPress multi-site. And I was creating sub-site for customers, but some customers, they need to add their own plugin, they need to add their own themes, and it was just very limited. The customer wouldn't be able to add their own plugin and themes, because if I do give them that options, that's mean all of my others websites would have that plugins and themes as well, and that would cause the system to be running very slow and very laggy. So I was desperate to find a new solutions to support all of my customers, and that's when I found WHMCS system. So at first I was very intimidated because it's a brand new system. I didn't know what it's capable of, and the cost was very high, because of all the licenses for the cPanels. I mean, it was a challenge, but I stick with it. I stay at it, and I continue to learn more about the system. I continue to work at it and migrate my old system into a new system so that customers will have the same functionality of signing up for the website, choosing the domain name, create an account, and pay for the product. So one of my biggest challenges with WHMCS system is that I was looking all over the internet to find a solution so that I can deploy custom WordPress website templates for my customers, just like WP Ultimo, but there wasn't any. So for a long time, I keep looking and looking and looking, and I couldn't find anything. So I just took the matter into my own hand, and I learned PHP, my SQL, and trying to develop a script. At first, I just want something that work so that it can deploy custom website for customers. So on top of designing website for customers, creating marketing campaign for customers, and then trying to develop my own script, it just take my whole life, my whole youth, basically, to build something that I wanted to do. But because it's something I enjoy doing, so it doesn't really feel like working. So every day I would drink coffee Some days I drink multiple coffee cups, trying to stay awake and just, stick with it because I have a vision and I want to pursue that vision. And I would only stop if I accomplish that goal. And all that hard work really paid off. I was able to create a script for my system to automatically deploy custom WordPress website for my customer. And I thought to myself, what if others WHMCS admin was looking for the same solutions as I was? So because the script, you would have to manually go into the script in order to enter all the websites templates and map it with the WHMCS products in order for customer to purchase the WHMCS products. The script would trigger that template and automatically deploy that template for the customer. So it was just really a mess. Basically, it wasn't clear. So I thought, why not develop it into an official WHMCS add-on module so that it's easy for WHMCS admin to map the custom WordPress website with the product. And that's what I did. I continue to develop the script into the add-on module, and I was able to accomplish this because of all the coffee that I drink and of the work and concentrations that I put into this script right here. So I was able to launch the add-on module on my system, create the license verification so that other people would not steal my code, my work. And I was very lucky, to be honest, being able to wake up every day feeling healthy, and I was able to accomplish what I set out to do, and I feel like life is good. Alright, you guys, so this is my Stripe account. As you can see, I was making some money today, some money yesterday, and some money tomorrow. And this is the total income that I bring from my website design business. So this is my monthly recurring income. So with this amount right here, it's not a lot compared to other startups, but it's something. I mean, it's a steady income, and it was able to help me live a really good life here in Vietnam. It's amazing how this business can give me all the freedom I needed in order to do what I love to do. Wake up every day and go to the coffee shop, drink some coffee, and build websites and work online, work remotely, being able to travel. Some of the places here in Vietnam, they are so beautiful, and I think I miss the feelings of traveling. So soon, hopefully, with all these families obligations and stuff like that, I can pick up my bag and start traveling again and start making more videos, traveling videos, and more tech videos to share with you guys the life, the experiences of being an entrepreneur, building my own web hosting business. So if you guys interested in this journey of mine of being free to travel, free to work, and free to make money, nobody is going to put a limit on how much money I make or telling me what I need to do or what I can't do. So it's just being able to wake up every day at the times I want to wake up, and I don't have to hold back of my work because I can work as hard as I can, because the harder I work, the luckier I get. So it will mean the world to me if you like these videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can follow my journeys. And it's really helped seeing people show support and subscribe to my YouTube channels and liking the videos that I make. I want to thank you so much for all of your support. I mean, the word thank you don't really show how much I appreciate each and every one of you. I want to thank you, and thank you, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.